What if I told you that the key to reversing muscle loss after 60 isn't found in eggs, protein powders, or fancy supplements, but in a simple green vegetable that most people overlook at the grocery store? You see, we've been conditioned to believe that muscle comes only from meat and eggs, but science now reveals something extraordinary. This humble vegetable, often seen as a side dish, holds more protein per calorie than eggs, and it has the power to rebuild aging muscles, restore energy, and bring back strength that you thought was lost forever. Let me share something truly inspiring. A 68-year-old man named Leonard from Perth, Australia, spent most of his 60s believing that getting weaker was just a part of aging. He tried eggs every morning, choked down protein shakes that upset his stomach, and even joined a gym for a few months. But nothing changed. His legs still trembled when he climbed stairs, his back ached when lifting groceries, and his confidence began to fade. One day, while visiting his daughter, he noticed her making a green smoothie with spinach, banana, and yogurt. She told him that spinach was one of the richest plant-based proteins on Earth, and that it contained natural nitrates that open up blood vessels, sending oxygen directly to the muscles. Skeptical but desperate, Leonard decided to try it. He replaced his morning eggs with a spinach smoothie 3 times a week. He didn't expect much, but after 2 weeks, he noticed something strange. He no longer felt exhausted after walking around the block. By the 4th week, his legs felt lighter. By the 8th, he was back to gardening, something he hadn't done in 3 years. At his next checkup, his doctor smiled in disbelief. Leonard's muscle density had improved by 10%, his blood pressure had dropped, and his balance had stabilized. He laughed and said, "I found my youth in a green leaf." That's the forgotten truth about spinach. It's not just a vegetable. It's nature's muscle medicine. Inside every leaf is a powerful blend of plant-based proteins, iron, magnesium, and potassium that fuel your muscles on a cellular level. According to researchers at the University of Copenhagen, seniors who eat nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach have significantly stronger legs and greater endurance. Why? Because spinach increases nitric oxide in the blood, improving oxygen delivery to muscles, meaning you move easier, breathe better, and recover faster. Unlike eggs, which can raise cholesterol and sometimes burden digestion, spinach is pure strength in its cleanest form. 1 cup of cooked spinach delivers more usable amino acids than an egg, while flooding your body with antioxidants that reduce inflammation, repair damaged tissue, and slow the process of sarcopenia, a silent thief of strength after 60. Imagine this. Every time you eat spinach, you're not just nourishing your body, you're telling your muscles, you're still alive, you can grow again. Think about what that means. Every morning, you have the power to rebuild yourself, not through pills or powders, but through a decision. You can blend spinach into your smoothie with banana and yogurt. You can saute it in olive oil for dinner. You can toss it into soups or omelets. It's not about doing something extreme, it's about doing something consistent. Just 1 cup a day can start transforming your body within weeks. Let's take another real example. Maria, a 74-year-old retired nurse from Canada, wrote that after her husband passed away, she lost motivation to cook or move. Her muscles weakened and she began to rely on a walking stick. Her grandson, a fitness coach, suggested she eat more greens, especially spinach, and start light chair exercises daily. Within 2 months, Maria noticed something remarkable. She could walk longer, her knees hurt less, and she even started dancing again in her living room. She said, "Every time I eat spinach, I feel like it's giving me life." Her words touched thousands online, proving that strength isn't reserved for the young. It's for anyone willing to begin again. What makes spinach unique is how it works in harmony with your body. It doesn't just supply protein, it activates the mitochondria, the energy engines inside your cells. This means your body starts using oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, allowing your muscles to recover faster and stay strong longer. Combine that with simple exercises like heel raises, sit-to-stands, and wall push-ups, and you create the perfect recipe for reversing muscle loss naturally. And here's something few people know. Spinach also helps your brain. The same nitrates that fuel your muscles improve blood flow to your brain, enhancing memory, focus, and mental clarity. That's why so many seniors who start eating spinach daily report not just feeling stronger, but more alert, happier, and younger in spirit. So the next time you sit down to eat, ask yourself, are you feeding your decline or fueling your comeback? Because the truth is, your body is not broken. It's simply waiting for the right fuel to reignite its strength. Spinach gives you that fuel. It's the quiet green miracle that's been under your nose all along. Aging doesn't have to mean shrinking, slowing, or surrendering. It can mean growth, if you give your body what it needs. So starting today, make spinach your ally. Cook it, blend it, savor it. Let it become part of your story, just like Leonard and Maria, who both learned that the path to strength isn't complicated. It's consistent, natural, and green. And if you're watching this right now, it's not by accident. You were meant to hear this. You were meant to remember that it's never too late to rebuild. You don't need youth to be powerful. You just need the right knowledge and the courage to act on it. If this message inspired you, don't just scroll away. Take the first step today. Add spinach to your next meal, move your body for 10 minutes, and feel the change begin. Then come back and tell us your story in the comments, because someone out there needs your example. And remember, the Seniors Hub is your home for guidance, strength, and hope. Subscribe now, like this video, and share it with someone who believes their best years are behind them. Because when we nourish ourselves with nature's wisdom, we don't just live longer, we live stronger.